No one's seen this before. This is the new, brand new, first time ever seen Everwin RCN45. Some of the features of the RCN45 from Everwin: belt hook, not standard on anybody else's coil roof nailers. Got lots and lots of wear protection to keep you from wearing out the sides of the tool. You've got an adjustable safety. You never know what kind of shingles you're going to be dealing with, or if you got industrial applications or window applications, it'll help with the adjustable safety. It will keep the nails from blasting through the material. One latch opens the whole magazine, faster loading. Shingle guide. Carbide on the safety. Makes it wear longer. Even your fastest roofers are going to have issues with this one. They won't be able to outrun it. And if you want to attach corrugated pallets, look at that, look at that. Been waiting a little while for this, but this is the Everwin Coil Roof Nailer. Fast, efficient, marvelous tool, lightweight, good balance. One shot, easy to open magazine, faster loading, adjustable depth of drive. You've got wear plates. You've even got rafter hook or belt hook, whatever you want to call it. It's fast. It's efficient. Runs on a very, very good, well-proven pallet motor. This baby is built to last. It's the real thing. It's been what you've all been waiting on. We will be getting this into the hands of your favorite industry influencers and roofing influencers so they can tell you exactly how this gun runs.